So Adrian said he's gonna be here soon.
Yeah, alright.
What's up, guys?
Oh, sorry I'm late.
What you guys up to?
Nothing.
What's up, guys? Alright, I got something for you guys. Ready? You guys ever heard of scissor?
What are you talking about?
What's that? Bean? It's like the same thing.
Nah, I never heard of it.
No? Alright. So my boy's hooking me up with some of the stuff. It's like some cough syrup he gave me. Ready? Check it out.
Now you put my laptop away for this.
Yeah, bottle of Sprite. Some cough syrup. Cough syrup. Jolly Ranchers, boys. You guys ever done it before?
No.
No? Everyone's doing it. It's like mad cool up here. I don't know.
Working the wheel, a pimp, not a simp. Keep the dope fiends higher than the Goodyear blimp. We eat so many shrimp. I got iodine poisoning. Fuck niggas make me sick with all that pitching and bargaining. You say that you a boss, I ain't believing that shit. You got the funny Geneva watch with the Ferrari kit. Take that monkey shit out.
There you go, Johnny. Chug that thing, boy.
I got it red from Mr. Scene, thick orange and yellow tusk. Type of coat down on the hands-free phone. The 84 chrome on the blades, 20-inch chrome. If you got 16, you can get a scissor. I'm choking on that
Go.
scissor.
Yeah.
On that scissor. Some niggas scared to float it. Some niggas they want it. Some niggas they Jonas. But I be fucked up a bonus. Roll with the Mafia 6. And we ain't about that bullshit. If we gon' get high, we gon' get high. And we gon' have some big.
Yo, I feel crazy.
Yeah.
I need to get out, use the bathroom or something.
You going?
I just want to get up, man. Shit, I feel like I'm leaning. I guess that's why they call it lean, right? You good, man?
I'm good.
Shit, I feel, yo, I like this shit. I'm gonna start doing it more often. So where does my dad keep his cough syrup? I know he has a bad cough. His doctor gave him something. Where is it? Found it. Haha. This is some strong stuff. Can't wait. Yeah. About to get high. Man, good stuff. Oh. Man, this feels so good. Man, I shouldn't go to school anymore. I like feeling like this, man. Where Mason? John! 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 John, what the? What? Where Mason? One bottle down.